Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a Saturday clean with me. We are snowed in. This is the first real snow that we've gotten all winter season, so everybody is home today. I'm just going to put around the house and pick up things that I need to pick up and clean up and fold some laundry. I'm probably going to do the more deeper cleaning later on tonight after the kids go to bed, because if I do it now it's just going to get really dirty again. So I'm just going to pick up things as I move along, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I would love it if you became a part of my YouTube family and subscribed. And also guys, please hit the like button if you like cleaning motivation videos. I think that you do. These are my most popular videos on my channel. So thank you so much for your support and for watching, and let's get started.
You know I met you in the dark, it was a Saturday night. Remember seeing you just dancing in the middle of the crowd. There was something about you, cause you got stuck in my mind. Stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd give it a go and I started talking to you. I don't know what I said, but the next thing I knew is that I held you in my arms and you asked what we should do. What should we do? What should we do? I said you can do what you want to with me. Yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans. In every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya. Club and we started walking the streets, and then we stopped for a while and you said you wanna kiss me. I remember thinking, is this really happening? Happening, happening. I never thought I'd meet someone so beautiful. I couldn't quite believe it, it was magical. Just kissing under streetlights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home. I said you can do what you want to with me. Yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. I wanna hold ya. Baby, I've been falling for ya. Falling for ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans, and every...
So my son walked over to me here and told me that he was bored. He had just gotten back from a slumber party, and after that he had guitar practice. So I suggested baking cookies and realized that the butter was cold and I had to get some out of the freezer, so I'm going to wait till those become room temperature and do them later on today. So this drawer here is a drawer where I had kept the plasticware and extra sauces, snack bags for one of my kids. They have to take a snack bag to school for the classroom, and so over time it has just gotten stuffed with different things. I thought today is the perfect day for me to get this over with. Every time I open it up I get frustrated, so I'm going to tidy it up, clean it out, and hopefully make the mornings a lot easier getting ready for school with everything tidy and put away.
Everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high, I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't, yeah, this ain't no sugar-coated love.
So in this room, I intended to just dust and just do a quick vacuum in it, but it ended up becoming a lot more of a deeper clean. We took off all of the cushions and cleaned up the underneath the cushions in the couch and flipped over everything. And you'll see my daughter comes in here to help me once she sees that I'm doing some deep cleaning, because she really likes helping me with things like this. So yeah, we're going to clean it up, vacuum away all the dust, and have a nice, fresh, clean couch.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
So if you watched my video about exchanging my old Dyson vacuum that had broken to this newer one, you'll know about all the different attachments that came with it and how easy it is to use. And yes, it is much easier to use than the older version of the Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner. The attachments snap on so much easily and just really click on and is quick to use. You can see even my daughter here, she is 8, and it's easy for her to take off the attachments and put on the different ones. So if you're considering getting it, I would recommend it. I do recommend it. I am not sponsored by Dyson. They don't know anything about me. But I just feel like if you are a woman like me, you have a big family and are constantly needing to vacuum underneath things like you see me doing here, then this could be a good thing for you. It's a bit expensive, but it's worth it. So yeah, my recommendation.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive.
So here I'm just going to be folding some of my husband's laundry. I do like to wash his laundry separate because it makes it a lot easier for sorting and for taking things up into his closet. So I'm going to be folding this all up. I did find some YouTube videos that I turned on to make the process go a lot quicker. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I did throw a couple loads of laundry into the washing machine. Today is washing sheets day, so I've got those running, and I'll probably be doing that for the rest of the day and then putting them on the beds later on in the evening. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I missed YouTube. It's been a few days since I've been able to film, so I was excited to do this for you guys today and to reach out and stay connected to you all. I love you all. Thank you again so much for all of your support and your kind words after I post the videos. They mean a lot to me. They really, truly brighten up my days. If you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye!
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer